Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm gonna cut my fringe. Not sure if this is a good idea or a bad idea, but it's something that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I thought that today is probably the best time to do it, especially because we're all in lockdown, and if it goes wrong then no one's gonna see it, or you guys will probably see it, but like I don't have to leave the house and I can just let it grow out because I'm not going anywhere, I'm not seeing anyone. Yeah, but I'm pretty confident I can do it because I have experience in cutting my own hair. I've cut my own hair for years. Unless it's like a big massive chop, then I go to the hairdressers, but otherwise if it's just a trim it myself. So today I'm going for the Korean see-through bangs or fringe, and whatever you want to call it. So it's kind of like wispy and see-through, and it's gradual, so it's not straight across. The shortest point is in the middle, and then it kind of like slopes down. And then when it's styled and when you've got your hair back, because now the main reason why I want these bangs is when I do have my hair back, there's nothing here, there's nothing to frame my face, and it just looks a bit boring and a bit flat. So if I had some kind of like layers coming down here and a little bit down here, see if I pull this one out, it's far too long. So I'm going to chop this and make sure it matches my hairstyle on my fringe. Yeah, and yeah, little Aiden's just walking around at the back saying my hair noises. But yeah, let's do this. I have hair clips, a comb, thinning scissors, pair of normal hairdressing scissors, and then a couple of clips as well to like clip little parts back, and I have a scrunchie on my wrist to tie the rest of my hair back. So first of all, the first thing that I need to do is section my hair into the middle parting, just so that my fringe is nice and even. I have a mirror in front of me. I'm not just doing it blindly or doing it on the camera viewfinder, because that would be a disaster. So middle parting, I haven't had a middle parting for ages. I used to always wear my hair in the middle parting. So middle parting to make sure it's nice and even. And then what I'm going to do is I want my bangs to start from here. I don't want them just here. So what I'm going to do is go in a triangle shape. Can you see that? And then triangle shape down here. So can you see that? It's like a triangle shape. But having said that, I think this is a bit too much. That would be quite a heavy, thick fringe. So I think I'm going to do it less. So let's just get the middle parting back. I think what I'm going to do is maybe about that much. I think, oh, that's even too much. This is harder than I thought. You alright, Eden? Yeah, I think she's sleeping. So first of all, I've sectioned off the hair that I could possibly cut. I'm not cutting any of this that I've clipped back, so that's nice and tied back. And then I've got these bits which I want to chop as well, so probably cut them to chin length. So this is the fringe part that I want to cut. So yeah, I think it's still a little bit too much. I'm going to take some of this away. So I want it really thin and wispy, but it's hard to get it thin and wispy without having it even down here. So just put that behind my ears. Yeah, this is how much I'm going to cut of my hair, but I'm not going to cut it straight across. What I'm going to do is do this bit up to like the length that I would want it to be, like eye skimming, and then I'm going to go downwards like this. So it's slanted, so that once I style my hair and I frame it, it'll be nicely framing my face. And then I think this is a bit too much, maybe like this much, and then take a little bit away from this side as well. So as you can see, there's 3 separate sections. This part is going to be the part which skims the eye, and if I want to, I can feather it out so that it's a little bit more wider, and then these side parts are going to be the draping parts. So what I'm going to do is, I'm actually quite scared. I'm not even going to lie guys, I'm sweating because this is a big decision. I'm going to make it even thinner, I think. I'm happy with that, that's quite thin. So what I'm going to do is, when you cut your hair, don't pull it too hard, because you think you want it dead, and when you let go it kind of like springs back up a little bit. So just hold it loosely and then cut where you want it to. I think I'm going to cut about here. Actually I'm going to cut it like nose length. So as you can see, that's how I'm going to start off, and then I'm going to take a little bit away, and then this really thin section in the middle. Can you see this little thin section? This is going to be the shortest part, so I'm going to cut this even shorter, but instead of going across, I'm going to cut it like this. So upwards. I know I'm getting it all over the floor, but I'm going to vacuum straight after.
What are you doing, Mommy?
Cutting my hair. Do you think it's a good idea?
What?
So as you can see, it's a lot shorter now. And then once, I'm not going to cut it any shorter just in case I change my mind, but I'm going to put this side to that side, and then once I have the shortest part, can you see how it's kind of like staggered? I'm gonna start here and then just cut and pull it down. So can you see, I've now got a fringe like bangs, but it's like feathered, it's not straight. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other side, which is gonna be a little bit more tricky because I'm right-handed. So let's see how this works. So cut. Keep moving the scissors down. Yeah, so can you see? I've now got staggered layers. So you just want to make sure that they're even. This one's, yeah, they're quite even. I'm happy with that. And then what I'm gonna do is just get them together like this, and you can see whether they're even or not, and whether one side is thicker. So I'm just gonna cut this one like that. So now I've got a fringe. Yeah, and then these parts I'm gonna twist it, and then about chin length, so like that. Twist this. So
Mommy?
yes, darling.
What is this?
About here. So now what I'm going to do is use a pair of straighteners to style it and see how I like it, and I might go shorter in the middle, but I'm going to do it gradually. You don't want to just be like chop chop chop, because that's a recipe for disaster. But it's looking quite good right now. I'm just using these are the Babyliss wireless hair straighteners, which are quite good because obviously they're wireless. I'm just going to give it a good curl. Very Korean style. I actually love it already, even though I haven't styled it properly. So I think it needs thinning because the ends are quite blunt, but you guys get the gist. I've now got like face framing layers. Oh my god, got something in my eye. Something in my eye. So it's actually looking really nice. I could totally leave it how it is right now, but I think I'm not sure, I might regret this decision. I want a few pieces that are shorter that come down here, so I might have to Can you see that? I just want these like 2 bits maybe to be short here. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. First thing I'm going to do though is give these side bits a bit of a thinning. I don't know how to pronounce the correct term, but I'm just using thinning scissors to make it a little bit thinner so it falls a bit better. I think maybe about that much. Let me just trim this. It's a bit more. The thing about this kind of fringe is if you don't want a fringe, you can just sweep it to the side easily. Got hair in my mouth. Oh. Bless me. Yes. Yes. I think this side needs layering a little bit more. I said this would be the problem because I'm not that's better because I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed, so obviously this side is going to be a lot easier for me to do. I absolutely love it. I'm going to go away and style it properly, but I don't think I'm going to cut any more hair. I think that's enough in terms of cutting. Love! I'll be right back. And I think here it needs to be washed again because dinner wear today I had a side parting. It keeps going back to the side parting and it's not staying in the middle. So I think I'm going to have to you know, wash my hair and rearrange my side parting. And then this is meant to be over this side, but it's just not staying because of my parting. Can you see how it's just wanting to go that side? But you guys get what I mean. But yeah, I absolutely love my hair. I feel younger. I feel like it makes me look younger. And yeah, especially because when my hair's back in a bun like this, definitely more interesting. Look at that side profile. Oh gosh, I love it. I'm so pleased with myself. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to learn how to style it properly, and that's gonna come with my next hair wash. But look, so I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you guys fancy cutting in some sort of fringe or having a bit of a change during lockdown, then I would recommend this type of fringe because it's not too obvious. It's not one where if you don't like it anymore you can't do anything with it, because if I don't like it anymore, simply, you know, sweep it to the side. But at the same time I can style it and have it down, so it's quite versatile, and it's only like a peaking fringe. It's not like a full fringe, which are quite scary, and those type of fringes do not suit my face shape at all. But this one I actually really like. I think it's really flattering. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and hope you're all keeping safe, keeping at home, and yeah, hopefully this is going to be all over soon. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.